Hi YouTube, today I'm going to show you how to repair dent on a stainless steel fridge using a Dent Repair Kit. The model number is Gliston Golden Dent Lifter Toolkit. And here's a link on Amazon. It's currently selling $51. Link in the description. Here's what's inside the box. The kit comes with a carrier bag, a hot glue gun with specialized glue, empty case sprayer for alcohol. These are the different attachments for the glue to stick on. You have bigger pieces, smaller pieces depending size of the dent, a scraper for removing the glue, and this is something like you hammer on to make the dent even. Then we have the golden dent lifter. As you can see, when you squeeze the lever, the base is adjustable. The actual dent size is range 0.4 inches to 2 inches. So this gap here is about 2 inches. And you can fit, the biggest attachment you can fit is about 2 inches in diameter. The advantage of the tensioner is you can have easy control of the force, lifting force. You can operate it with precision to control the exact amount of dent that needs to be lifted. You can also purchase the 89-piece set. In the 89-piece set, it comes with additional accessories that include the T-handle puller, a rubber hammer, some more of these different size of attachment, and even a rag and mini T-handle puller. I purchased the Golden Dent Lifter tool. It comes with 35 pieces that has a lifter, the glue gun, and a spatula. You can use the Dent Lifting Toolkit for these applications on the automobile, stainless steel appliances, fridge, washing machine, motorcycle, tricycle, anything that is finished with paint or stainless steel finish. I have one big dent at center of the fridge. As you can see, this is how it looks like. Pretty easy to spot, very obvious. Then there's another one down here on the bottom. You can see at different angle. And then there's one on the left side. Now I'm going to apply glue to the gasket, which is about the same size as the dent. Okay, apply it evenly. Then I'm going to place it onto the dent. Okay, now I'm going to wait for a few minutes for it to dry. After 3 to 5 minutes, the glue is hardened. You can touch it and see how hard it is. The instruction says wait for at least 3 to 5 minutes. Then simply mount the attachment and loop it through the gasket. You can see this is how you clamp down on the gasket, and then adjust the height, make sure it's tight. Okay, now we can start lifting using the lever. I used some general purpose cleaner. I was able to remove the excess glue residue, and as you can see, the dent looks like it was getting smaller, but it's not completely going away. and we can definitely see and feel now we have a bump in the center where we lifted the dent, and on the side there are two smaller dents with the center has a bump. So at different angle you can see the dent is still there, and now is more obvious than before. Now trying on another dent on the left side of the fridge. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to slowly lift the lever. Okay. Now I'm going to scrape off the glue. Hopefully this comes off in one piece. As you can see, it left some residue, and now I need to use a cleaner to wipe it off. Overall, the dent repair kit can improve the dent shape, but it may not completely remove it. As you can see, in some cases it made things worse because it created a bump, and the dent is now transformed into a bulging, swelling bump. As you can see, it made the situation worse than the problem to begin with. So overall, I think you have 50% shot fixing it, depending on the luck of the situation. I hope that helps you.